In this section, 1.3, we get to talk about what role computers play in statistics. In the real world, statisticians use computers enormously. Day in and day out, computers are completely part of their jobs. There are statistical software packages like SAS, JMP, SPSS, and what we will be using, Minitab, which is a very popular statistical software out there. And also there are a lot of data mining tools. There are databases like Access and SAS. And then there are also data mining tools like Crystal Reports. So there's just a lot of software packages out there that cater to and tailor to data analysis and statistics. And in this course particularly, we will use some of those packages. We will particularly be using Minitab, and then in addition to Minitab, we will be using a small handheld device that is a computer, also known as your calculator. And your calculator in this course is your friend, because let me tell you, the calculator will be your salvation for this course. It will do almost all of the computations for you. Now, there's certainly some computations you're going to have to do yourself. It won't think for you. You will still need to understand all of the concepts. You'll still need to interpret, but your calculator is going to be amazing for this course. So I highly encourage you to learn as soon as you can how to use your calculator in all of the sections as we go, and it will save you work, it will save you time, and most importantly, it will improve your grade. So how do we use computers in statistics? Well, primarily, the reason we use computers in statistics is because computers are so efficient and wonderful at doing data manipulation and data calculations and computations. So data manipulation, all of that starts with a simple data file, and a data file is a spreadsheet. So it's going to be a group of cells, and if you're familiar with Excel, Excel is a spreadsheet program. So data files will look like a spreadsheet, and it will have rows and columns filled with data values, number values, qualitative values, just data values. And each row will contain measurements for a particular subject. So the rows will have the subjects, and then the columns will have corresponding characteristics for those subjects. And then a database will take one data file and link it to another data file and link it to another data file. So it will say, okay, I'm going to take this particular characteristic and this characteristic here and these two characteristics here. So it will connect several data files together, and that's what a database is it's a huge collection of data files. So Excel would be maybe a program you're familiar with that would just have data files, and then Access is like the next level up. Access will not only house data files, but it will house entire databases that will link all of those files together. So databases are a little more complex and very, very useful in data manipulation, data analysis, and statistics. Another truly useful tool that maybe statisticians don't exactly use as much, but we junior statisticians will use a lot, is Applets. Applets will help us learn the importance of data. It basically will be little illustrations and demonstrations of, if I do this, then this will happen. So it will really bring home what data is, what data distributions are, how sample size can change the sample distributions. So we'll use Applets quite a bit in this course, and they'll be really helpful to improving your understanding of data and what data is. Also, we should note that yes, we can use computers, and yes, we can use calculators, and yes, these will be enormously helpful tools and save us loads of time, but we've still got to think. We still have to be the thinkers and select valid analyses and interpretations. So the computer won't do it all. There still needs to be a statistician there who understands what's going on, what's being selected, why you need to select what you're selecting, and then when you get the output, what it means. And so we really have a tremendous amount to learn in this course, even though we're going to let the calculator and Minitab do a lot of the work for us. And here are the image sources that we've used for Chapter 1.